Are you tired of adjusting your invoices, estimates, or sales receipts every time you send them out? What if I told you there's a way to set up default templates in QuickBooks Online so your documents always look exactly how you want, without any extra effort? In this guide, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process for 2025 so you can save time, maintain consistency, and make your business look professional with every transaction. Let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. From your dashboard, go to the Settings menu, usually represented by the gear icon in the upper right corner. Under the Your Company section, click on Custom Form Styles. This is where all your templates, like invoices, estimates, and sales receipts, are managed. Now, to create or edit a template, click on New Style and choose the type of form you want to customize. For example, an invoice. QuickBooks will open the customization window, where you can adjust the layout, add your logo, change the color scheme, select fonts, and even edit the labels to match your brand voice. Once you're happy with your design, save it. To set this as your default template, go back to the Custom Form Styles list. Find your newly created template, click the drop-down arrow on the right, and select Make Default. From now on, QuickBooks will automatically use this template every time you create that type of form, saving you from manually selecting it each time. You can create multiple templates for different scenarios, like one for retail clients and another for wholesale, and switch between them whenever needed. Plus, if your branding changes in the future, you can edit the default template anytime without affecting your transaction history. And that's it. You've just learned how to set up default templates in QuickBooks Online for 2025. By doing this, you'll streamline your workflow, maintain a professional image, and eliminate repetitive adjustments. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other QuickBooks users. And let me know in the comments, what template will you customize first? Your invoice, estimate, or sales receipt? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.